Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making shrimp rice soup, also known as Asopao de Camarones. In a large pot over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're sauteing a mirepoix. To the mirepoix, add a pinch of salt. Sweat the vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir the pot occasionally until the vegetables start to caramelize. The mirepoix consists of 1 medium-sized onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots diced. Then add in 3 cloves of garlic minced and saute for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. It is time to season the soup by adding 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning, 1 packet of sazon, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Go ahead and toss to wake up the spices. Oh, and before I forget, freshly ground black pepper to taste. Toss again to incorporate the black pepper in, then add in 4 cups of water, followed by 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, and 1 cup of rice. Rinse the rice through cold water to remove most of the starch. Give that a quick stir to incorporate. Now increase the heat to medium-high and bring to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low and continue simmering for about 35 minutes. We are using 1.5 pounds of shrimp, peeled and deveined with the tails left on. By leaving the tails on, you add more flavor to the soup. And after 35 minutes, all the vegetables and the rice will be soft and tender. Increase the heat back to medium and bring the soup to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in the shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 6 to 8 minutes or until nice and pink. To give it a nice kick, add in a splash of sriracha. And to enhance the flavor, add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. However, no salt or pepper are needed. To me, it is perfect. Oh, and one more thing. When reheating the soup, you may need to add more chicken broth as the rice will suck up all the liquid. Now, remove from the heat and serve. You may garnish with fresh cilantro or even parsley if cilantro is not your thing. And right before digging in, squeeze some fresh lime juice if you like. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, shrimp rice soup, also known as Asopao de Camarones. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye, gracias, adiós.